Hello, it's Cecilia from Virtuas, and today we're going to go over some tips on how you can sort your task digitally. So you can see here that we have a bunch of tasks listed in one long column, which is hard to navigate. So let's start by sorting our task into buckets. Right now, all of them are in this bucket, which is the default bucket named To Do. We can change the name to something that will summarize the type of task in the bucket. So let's start by calling it Personal Touches. To create a new bucket, all you have to do is click here and add a name. Based on some of the tasks we have, let's make a bucket called Shopping. Once we create the bucket, you can easily move tasks over by just dragging and dropping. Now that we have our tasks separated into buckets, you can see that it's a lot easier to look at. However, there are some tasks that shouldn't be a card by themselves. For instance, are these tasks things that you would send 6 different people to do? To better sort these tasks, let's make a checklist. To start, we would make a new task, and let's call it Go to the Party Store. If you click on the task, it will open up and show you a lot more details and options. So go down and there's a checklist area. We can make a checklist and condense all of these tasks into one card. If you decide that you want this task on a separate card for any reason, you can promote a checklist item by clicking the arrow. For instance, let's say the local store doesn't sell candles and we need to get candles at the cake store instead. When you promote it, it will show back it in the bucket. Now, if you have tasks that are repeated throughout the week or the month, you can easily copy a task and it'll give you the option of copying a checklist. This will make an exact copy, so it's really useful if you have these repeating tasks. Now that we've moved all these tasks, we can delete them. You can delete them by just clicking the 3 dots on the card and going down to where it says delete. But here's an easier way to do it. To start, we will create a delete bucket. That way, you can delete all of these when you are truly ready, since deleting tasks cannot be undone, and this bucket gives you the option of moving tasks back to other buckets. When you're ready, you can delete all of these tasks by going to the bucket, go to the 3 dots, click it, and then click delete. This is organized a lot better compared to when we first started. One final thing we can do to really manage these tasks is to use labels. By using labels, this can help you filter and understand the type of task you have. To start, you would just edit labels so that it will say what you want it to say, and then just click it and assign it. That's all we have time for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.